Welcome to our Zebra Experience Centre in Bourne End. This short video aims to show you how Zebra's intelligent cabinet portfolio can address key customer challenges and protect your investment. Our intelligent cabinets have been designed to charge and store devices with rapid and secure access, providing devices that are updated and ready for use. Intelligent cabinets work in all verticals, including retail, transport and logistics, manufacturing and healthcare. Our portfolio contains 7 cabinet sizes that can store 5 to 100 devices using standard and flexible stadium shelving whilst taking up minimal floor space. Let's take a closer look. Welcome to our manufacturing facility here in Maidenhead in the UK. Let's take a look at the complete range of cabinets we have in our portfolio. Starting with the compact, which supports 5 devices. This is mainly used in operations where each site would only ever need a handful of devices in use at any one time. For example, a small retail outlet or a mid-sized grocery store. Walking you through the different size variations of cabinets, we have the small cabinet, which will accommodate up to 20 devices, the midi cabinet, which will accommodate up to 30 devices. These cabinets are typically used in smaller retail environments or mid-sized grocery stores where only a small number of devices is needed at one time. To give you some context for height, I'm 5'4" or 162 centimetres. Moving to our more popular range of sizes, we have the large cabinet, which supports up to 40 devices, the extra large, which supports up to 50 devices, and finally the extreme, which supports up to 100 devices. These cabinet sizes are typically used in larger warehouse and distribution environments where there are multiple shifts and there is a large turnaround of devices at the start of each shift. All intelligent cabinets are built using rugged materials and contain built-in power supplies. The cabinets are cooled using natural airflow with an open leaf design. This means that there is no cooling fan, which drives down the total cost of ownership and reduces your carbon footprint. Due to the design, devices in the cabinet are always connected to your Wi-Fi network, allowing for remote updates and critical patches. Finally, the bifolding doors with clear panels allow easy access and reduce the amount of floor space required. While Zebra's access management system is designed to manage your remote assets, the cabinets also have a physical locking mechanism to further secure your devices for overnight storage. Additionally, Zebra has designed a Cradle lock system, which is compatible with your existing 4 or 5 slot cradles for TC2, 5 and 7X series devices. It locks the device into its charging slot and is only released when the user enters their PIN. The locking cradle is very flexible and can be used as a standalone solution or in addition to the intelligent cabinet with or without ZAMs. If you would like any additional support regarding intelligent cabinets, please reach out to your local Zebra representative.